Welcome to the top picks. The best Bosch Kids Tools is probably one of the most exciting and educational toy sets available for young aspiring builders and DIY enthusiasts, offering a fantastic way to spark creativity and develop fine motor skills through imaginative play, making it a standout choice for parents looking to provide engaging and constructive entertainment for their children. Number 5. Wooden Toy Workbench with Tools. Introducing a fantastic wooden toy workbench, designed to spark creativity and hours of fun. It comes with everything your child needs to start building and imagining. This set includes a hammer, saw, screwdriver, wrench, and various parts like screws, nuts, and gears. It's perfect for collaborative play, helping develop essential motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Encourage early learning and hands-on ability with this engaging workbench. Assembling the pieces helps foster logical thinking, problem-solving skills, and creativity as they design their own projects. Crafted from high-quality beech wood and finished with child-safe, non-irritating water paint, this workbench is built to last. Its smooth edges and bright colors ensure safe and stimulating play. Keep everything organized with a convenient storage compartment underneath. It's designed for quick and easy cleanup, ensuring all the accessory pieces and tools have a place to go. Looking for a gift that's both fun and educational? This construction toy building set is ideal for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion for children aged 3 and up. What we like. If you are looking for a classic and durable toy, this wooden workbench is a great choice. It helps develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination through assembling parts. The built-in storage makes cleanup a breeze, making it ideal for parents who value organization and traditional play. What people say. The Bosch toy tools are a great addition to any child's play collection, offering realistic features and durable construction. Children can engage in imaginative play with the Bosch toy tools, mimicking real-life construction and DIY activities. The Bosch toy tools are designed with safety in mind, featuring rounded edges and non-toxic materials for worry-free playtime. Number 4. Bloody Rusty Electric Chainsaw. Get ready for a terrifying Halloween with this realistic electric chainsaw. Its rusty, bloody blade and chain are perfect for creating spine-chilling moments. Frightening sound effects and a rotating chain bring this prop to life. It's designed to add a touch of realism to your haunted house or costume. Instantly transform your look or haunted house with this gruesome chainsaw. It's an essential addition for any Halloween event. Designed for kids ages 3 to 8, this prop offers a spooky yet safe experience. It's sized just right to make them the center of attention. No need to search for batteries. This menacing prop comes with 3 AA batteries included. The terror can begin right out of the box. What we like. For the ultimate Halloween thrill seeker, this accessory is a must-have. Its realistic, bloody design and motion sound effects create a truly terrifying experience. If you want to elevate your costume or haunted house with a spine-chilling element, this is the perfect prop for creating memorable scares. What people say. The Bosch toy tools are a great addition to any child's play toolbox, offering realistic designs and functions that mimic real Bosch tools. These tools are designed with safety in mind, featuring rounded edges and child-friendly materials, making them perfect for little hands. The Bosch Kids Tools set includes a variety of popular tools like a drill, saw, and screwdriver, providing endless hours of imaginative play and learning opportunities. Number 3. Kids Tool Set with Carrying Case. This is a complete construction toy set designed for little builders. It includes everything they need to spark their imagination and start building their dreams. Crafted from high-quality, durable materials, this set is built for safe and long-lasting play. Each tool is lightweight and easy for small hands to grip and maneuver. This toy set encourages hands-on learning, helping to develop essential motor skills and hand-eye coordination. It's a fun way to boost problem-solving abilities. Everything comes neatly packed in a convenient carrying case. This allows young builders to take their tools and their creativity wherever they go. Looking for a gift that inspires creativity? This versatile set is ideal for birthdays and holidays, offering endless hours of interactive pretend play. What we like. If your child loves to build and explore, this comprehensive set is fantastic. It includes a portable toolbox, safety gear, and an electronic drill, promoting hands-on learning and problem-solving. It's perfect for little ones who enjoy imaginative construction play and want to carry their tools anywhere. What people say. The Bosch brand is known for its quality and durability, and these toy tools are no exception. They are made from sturdy plastic that can withstand rough play. The set includes a variety of tools, such as a hammer, screwdriver, wrench, and pliers, which allows for a wide range of imaginative play scenarios. The tools are designed to be child-friendly, with rounded edges and no small parts that could be a choking hazard. They are also lightweight and easy for small hands to grip. Number 2. Kids Tool Set Toy, 32 PCS with carrying case. Introducing a realistic 32-piece construction tool set, designed just like a grown-up's toolbox. It includes everything your little one needs to role-play as a carpenter or maintenance worker. This set features a battery-powered toy drill with interchangeable bits for realistic screwing action and a fun toy chainsaw with lights and sounds. They offer adjustable speeds for even more engaging play. Keep everything organized with the included portable storage box. It's large enough to hold all the accessories and makes cleanup a breeze. The handy handle lets them take their tools anywhere. Crafted from premium, safe ABS plastic, this toy tool set is designed with rounded edges for your child's safety. It's the perfect gift for any little builder. This educational toy set helps develop early STEM skills, shape recognition, problem solving, and creativity. It's designed to spark imagination and encourage learning through hands-on exploration. Give the gift of endless building fun. This comprehensive set provides everything your child needs to learn, grow, explore, and express their creativity, just like a real craftsman. What we like. This set is for the young builder who wants it all, including realistic power tools. With an electronic chainsaw and drill, plus 32 pieces, it offers an immersive role-playing experience. If you're looking for a value-packed kit that mimics adult toolboxes and encourages STEM skills, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Bosch toy tool set is a great gift for young builders. It includes a variety of tools like a hammer, screwdriver, and pliers, all made from durable plastic. The tools are designed to be safe for children, with no sharp edges. Number 1. Bosch GRL 900-20 HVK REVOLVE Rotary Laser Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for precise leveling. It includes the rotary laser, receiver, remote, and all essential accessories for immediate use. Achieve perfect vertical alignment with its dedicated vertical beam and 90-degree point. It's ideal for layout, squaring, and plumb applications on any job site. Experience confidence in every measurement. This tool delivers reliable accuracy of plus 1/8 inch at 100 feet, ensuring precise results every time. Tackle large projects with ease. It offers an impressive working range of up to 1,000 feet, providing flexibility for extensive job sites. This professional-grade tool is built for demanding tasks. Its Class 2 laser ensures visibility and performance for various construction and renovation needs. What we like. For serious DIYers or professionals needing precise measurements, this rotary laser kit is unparalleled. Its long-range capability and vertical beam functionality ensure reliable accuracy for any layout or squaring job. If you demand professional-grade tools for ambitious projects, this kit offers the precision and features you need. What people say. The Bosch toy tools are a great addition to my son's play area. He loves using them to pretend he's a real handyman. I was impressed with the quality of the Bosch toy tools. They are made of durable plastic and seem like they will last a long time. The Bosch toy tools are very realistic and detailed. My son enjoys the variety of tools included in the set. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.